Alright, so I have a little bit of an update for you guys. So, a few days ago, I discovered more or less that my headlight, actually, I think it was last week, now that I'm thinking about it, I discovered that my one of my LED headlights, the actual housing, had broken. Now, when I mean broken, I don't mean in like a very serious way, just the cup, I guess you could say, that's inside of the lens and inside everything to reflect light out. You know, I'll show you in the anyway. But anyway, that piece broke. I contacted the company. They were very quick about getting me a new one because I bought the warranty. I'm very glad I did so. But I got one rushed to me in about 5 days or so. So all good to go there. It took about a week for it to get here. Just got delivered today. It's Monday. But in other news, more or less, here's what I'm currently going to be filling out. Basically a sponsorship request going straight to Toyota so that I can get some shirts printed to use their branding, because the printing company that I'm using here in town will not print the shirts because it is branded Toyota and it's copyrighted, so I have to get permission from them first and give that to the printing company before I can even use and get the test shirts printed to see what they're going to look like. I'm only printing 3 sizes currently. A small, a medium, and a large. I'll probably keep the large and or the medium for myself. Just depending on, I kind of want to see like how sizes are going to run and get all that squared away before I just place a mass order and everything. I am going to try and relocking my door since I got this box. I am going to try and get a store set up at some point, and maybe advertise it on my Instagram for this one shirt for now. But for those who don't know which shirt I'm talking about, it's the Downtown Tokyo shirt. It has the Japanese writing on the one side that says speed, and the red Mark III down in the middle at the bottom. Driving on the road, city, and at night, or I think it's at night, pretty sure it's at night. But anyway, rewatch one of my the update video. It'll be in there and you'll see which one I'm talking about. But anyway, let's go ahead, and I'm gonna quickly unbox my, God, this knife is so dull. Quickly unbox my new headlight. I don't think I'm going to be installing this on camera, just because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I've pretty much already got a install video up on the channel, so there's that. My packing slip. Oh wow, they shipped me the bulb too? I didn't need the bulb, but per se, but oh well. I kind of fixed the one that broke temporarily, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, right there on that lid, right up in here, I'll put a couple, I'll put some pictures of what actually happened to the headlight, just so you guys know and can see pictures of it. Nothing major. I think just when the parts were getting stamped, one was a little thin and it was just weak. Not a big deal. I know things happen from time to time, and God, it's really hard to unbox this with one hand, but whatever. I'll get it. Okay. Bam. Okay. Okay. They shipped me a whole new set. They gave me a whole new set, dude. They gave me a whole new set. And I do not need a whole new set. What the fuck is that? What the fuck, dude? What? Okay. The fuck is that? LED. I don't think these are LED. Oh, and this one's broke too. They cannot get anything right. What in the absolute hell? I don't even know. Oh, never mind, it's not broke, it's just the screw came out. Okay, nope, we're good. I do have to see what the fuck is going on. Alright, hold on. I'm going to put the camera down. I will see you guys in a second. I'm going to get this shit figured out, because I think they sent me HIDs instead. I'm almost certain they sent me HIDs instead. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to get some things figured out. See you guys in a second. Okay, so upon further inspection, these are not the right housings. See that little blue light in there? Not supposed to be there. My housings do not have this, nor do they have this, which I don't know what entirely that's for, but I know for a fact these were not included with my bulbs either. Or with my housings either. So I don't entirely mind these being in there. I could put these in my old housings. And ship them back with the old ones. Even though only one is broke, I would have to send both of them to get them to match. Unless I do some modifications. Unless I do some modifications here, I don't think I'm going to be able to salvage these. Because this one here, with this piece, the screw that holds it in the center here, because mine, and I'll probably put up a picture, but mine, the bracket goes across these three screw holes right here. And there's a screw in all three holes that, yeah, I had to undo when I diagnosed the issue originally. So, once I find that little screw, oh, duh, right here. Yeah. So, the threads on it are fine. Probably not going to be able to focus too well, but the threads on it are fine. The only issue is the threads, whatever material this is made out of, I would assume fiberglass. Look at that, screw slides right in and right out. So, yeah. I'm not entirely too happy with this company. Because you can't call the bastards. When you try calling them, they don't pick up. It's all automated. And even though it's automated, they still like, okay, press 1 to do this, or press 2 for your warranty stuff. and for recently purchased orders, which technically this is. It's technically under both of those. When I press 2, it says thank you for your purchase, blah blah blah, and then to email them at such and such an email address to contact them about anything with your order. You can't just call them and talk to somebody over the phone and describe what you're doing. You know, you have to do it via email, which not a very good way to keep in contact with a company, especially when some of the sales rep people don't entirely know everything about their or about the sales team doesn't entirely know. I guess I should say not sales, but customer service doesn't entirely know everything about the products they sell. So on the bright side, though, I do have 2 more of these useless caps that I still have yet to get an answer for. Thank you, LED Light Street. Not very attentive company. I don't know. I just emailed them back and said these are not the same housings that I have. They're different. And I might just tell them to screw off, and hell, I might even see if I can just modify these myself and say screw it. That being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of an update. I'll wait to hear back from Toyota on the shirts as to whether or not I can use their branding on it. And hopefully I'll have another update for you guys relatively soon. But I guess that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I just thought I'd make this little bit of an update video since last week I broke my headlight. I wanted to kind of do everything at once instead of film over multiple days. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll keep you guys posted. See you in the next one.